Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 radio. First, gather your tools. You'll need 4 specific radio removal keys, which are essential for this task. A plastic trim removal tool is also very helpful to protect your dashboard. Finally, a small flathead screwdriver can assist with any stubborn clips. Now, let's insert the removal keys. Look closely at the corners of your Audi A4 radio faceplate. You'll see 4 small, narrow slots. Carefully slide one radio removal key into each of these 4 slots. Push them in firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they've engaged the internal locking mechanism. With all 4 keys inserted and locked, it's time to remove the radio. Gently pull outwards on the 4 keys simultaneously. The radio should begin to slide out of its housing. Be sure to pull straight and avoid any twisting or jerking motions, as this could damage the surrounding trim or the radio itself. Once the radio is partially out, you'll see the various cables connected to its rear. Carefully disconnect each wiring harness by pressing its release tab and gently pulling it free. Pay attention to where each cable connects, as this will make reinstallation much easier. Finally, disconnect the antenna cable, and your Audi A4 radio is fully removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.